Thank you for choosing to sell on Amazon.in. Millions of online customers across India are waiting to buy your products every day. Complete these 3 simple steps to start selling today. Update your GST details. Add your products. Provide your bank details. And launch your business. Step 1. Update your GST details. Log into sellercentral.amazon.in. We believe that you must have already verified your phone number and provided your business details during registration. The next step is to enter your GST details. In the tax details page, select Yes if you have your GST number. Provide the provisional GSTIN number and your PAN details. If you don't have the GST number handy, you can select the checkbox I will update later. Select No if you do not have a GST number. In case you are trying to sell products under GST exempted categories, you can choose I sell in GST exempted category, provide your PAN details and proceed. For non-GST exempted categories, we highly recommend you to register and obtain a GST number to continue selling on Amazon.in. Click on Next. On the seller interview page, select the product categories you want to sell in and few other details and click on Next. Step 2. Add your products. The dashboard will give you a brief about the product categories selected by you on the previous step. Certain product categories like beauty, health and personal care, etc. require prior approval from Amazon for selling. In such a case, you will see a button, Apply to Sell, beside the product category. Getting a category approval is a simple process. Click on Apply to Sell button, provide the required details, and Amazon will update you on the approval status within 24 to 48 hours via email. For all other categories, you can directly add your products by clicking on Start Listing button. Search for the product you want to sell in the search bar using the product name or barcode and click on Search. From the search results, identify the right product and click on Sell Yours. Provide the price and quantity of the product and click on Save and Finish. If you are not able to find your product in the search results, you can click on Create a New Product to create a new listing on Amazon.in. For this, you need to provide the complete details of your product, such as product title, brand, product ID, etc. In case your product does not have a barcode or product ID, you can get an exemption from Amazon to add your product. Watch our video on GTIN exemption to know how. Update the product quantity and price in the Offer tab. Additionally, you should also provide the product images, a short description about the product, search keywords, and click on Save and Finish. The product will be added in your account instantly. You can check for your inventory list by clicking on Inventory tab and manage inventory. Step 3. Provide your bank details. Go back to the dashboard and provide your bank details for payments and click on Save. Now that you have completed all the 3 main steps to sell on Amazon, you can click on Launch Your Business button on the dashboard to activate your selling account. Your account will be activated within a couple of hours for the customers to order your products. Happy selling on Amazon!